Before we begin, behind the ideas and hurdles, the trial and error, the striving and the greatness, through ups and downs, there is a vision that never changes, the vision to do good. This is Technion. Where does vision come from? From people like you, enlightened minds, who fill the future with care, guardians of all we share. Doing good by protecting this precious planet, harnessing energy resources to empower tomorrow, and learning from the scientific genius of nature. Doing good by advancing world health through revolutionary scientific insight, medical treatments, and life-saving technology. Doing good by opening all channels of data, predicting future needs, anticipating the next wave of innovation, and keeping it all safe. Doing good by transferring the power of discovery from laboratory to marketplace, and sharing the culture of creativity across the world. Doing good with the vision to create something from nothing. Releasing the power of inspiration so that everything becomes possible. Doing good with Technion, where great minds come together to create a brighter future for all. Technion, from visionary education to a world of impact.